I'm going to talk about is maintenance beliefs or behaviors, or we call it beliefs. Okay, so beliefs. If you are a new manager and you're going to take over a new organization, of course you realize that you are not going to execute everything you come up with. Perhaps you want to improve most probably work management. You have a lot of accidents, you need to improve safety, whatever it might be. But I'm talking to you within the reliability and maintenance arena here. You need to introduce yourself. And you need to get followers, because it is the followers or the disciples of your philosophy that will create the results. Not you as the manager or the leader, right? No, you have to do it through these people. And then you have to show, who am I? What do I believe in? These are the beliefs I have. These are the things I think that I want to do. And it's certain things I do not want us to do. And I like to explain that to your organization. Develop your beliefs. Perhaps some of these make sense to you. If they don't, okay, then you can change them, of course. And for us, this has been very, very successful, because when we present those to clients, they ask, who is IDCON? Where do you come from? Well, first of all, we've written a lot of articles and so forth, and videos. I think we have 70 videos. Like, so you can go on our website and see they are 3 to 4 minutes long, because people don't like to see long videos and so forth, and a lot of articles, so they know us. But anyway, we present those beliefs, and we tell the clients, honestly, if you don't believe in the same things as we do, perhaps we shall not work together. Or we can, of course, change some smaller details, but these are the things we believe in. For example, number 1, they are 15, by the way. Belief number 1 is that cost reduction alone does not generate improved reliability. Improved reliability results in better safety and lower cost. That's the second time I say that. We absolutely believe in that. And of course, if you focus on reliability, and it's on the equipment reliability side, first of all, the results and the money is to have increased quality, production volume when you sold the product and so forth. That's where the money is. And on top of that, you get then better safety and you get lower maintenance costs. So the things you do to improve reliability is, of course, the same things as you do to improve your maintenance organization's performance. You can call it many things, lean maintenance, whatever name you put on it, because there are so many names on what we try to do here that I can go back and just tell you all the names we have put on basic maintenance management principles. And they come down to the same as the Romans did the year 90 after Christ, right? Of course, it is the same things. You're going to work on root cause problem elimination. You're going to work on failure mode analysis if you want to do that. You need to improve your preventive maintenance and your work management, and that's really the core of everything. You have to believe in this. I make you show that based on that one, we're going to focus this, and this is a reliability improvement initiative we are now taking if it's something new. People cannot be productive than the system they work in allows them to be. One book and author that has influenced me from the very early days is this one, and that's Edward Deming. I hope some of you have read them. I mean, he had so much common sense principles, and the first he came up was in the late 80s when he came back from Japan. And one of the things that hit home to me immediately was, people cannot be more productive than the system they work in allows them to be. It makes all the sense in the world. You can have all the best skills in the world. You can work your whatever off, right? And you can work very, very hard. But it's in a reactive system. And if the system is reactive, it doesn't allow the craftspeople to do an excellent job. They might have been trained in exactly how to align a shaft to precision standards, right? But they're not allowed to do because it's not time enough to do it, or they don't have right then the parts or tools, whatever they need. The system is reactive, and they can work very, very, very hard, but they are not very efficient. But if you, on the other hand, have a well-developed work management system, you can work very safely, and you can do the right things. You have the right tools. Everything is there for you to do a precision job in maintenance. So it's so true. And of course, we believe it's a leadership obligation to develop, communicate, and coach implementation of these processes. We can't do it like during the flower power time in the 60s and 70s with self-directed or self-managed teams, and they were going to develop this from the bottom and up. No, your job as a leader is to see to that, okay, these are the processes we are going to develop, and you can involve all the people then in how to do it. That's another thing. But it has to come from the leadership. They own the processes, they own those things, they own the management principles and so forth.